If your inner thighs feel permanently tight or sitting on the floor just feels uncomfortable, this 10-minute practice is exactly what you need. Hi, I'm Nilu. Welcome to day 6 of your lower body mobility series. Today we're going to open up your hips and release that tension. Start by letting your knees fall from side to side. There is no perfect shape here. Just move slowly and let your hips begin to warm up. Already, you are creating more space. Bring the soles of your feet together. Start to open and close your knees. Stay tall through your spine. You can use your hands for support. Think of this as oiling a creaky door hinge. Smooth, steady, a little more open each time. Now pause in your butterfly. Sit up tall. Let your knees soften toward the floor. Just breathe and trust the process. Every breath, you're getting a little more open. Extend your right leg out to the side. Bring it back in. Extend it again. Back in. Slowly, each time, see if you can create a little more space through your inner thigh. Be patient with it. This is your body learning a new movement. Keep that leg extended. Now reach your big toe toward the floor, then your little toe. Big toe, little toe. You might feel this all the way up into your inner thigh. That's a good sign. Stay with it. Let's go to the other side. Extend your left leg out and in, out and in. Notice if this side feels different. It's completely normal if it does. Just keep moving. Keep your left leg extended. Big toe down, little toe down, big toe, little toe. You're doing the work most people never do for their hips. Be proud of it. As wide as feels comfortable for you today. Interlace your fingers and start making slow circles from your hip. It's like you're stirring a giant pot between your legs. Let it be playful. Now let's go the other way. Same thing, slow, easy circles. You might already feel your hips loosening up. That's your body responding. Keep going. We are halfway there. Lift your chest and look up. Just breathe. You've earned this moment. feel the length through your whole body. Come back to your 90-90 stretch again. Same position as the start. But I want you to notice something. Does it feel even a little different? A little more space? Yes, that's you making progress. Bring the soles of the feet together and lift and lower those knees. We are coming back through the same shapes one more time. This time, see if your body gives you a little more. Now just pause in your butterfly. Let gravity gently pull those knees down. Just breathe and trust the process. Every breath, you're getting a little more open. Extend your right leg out, bring it back in, out and in. Feel your hamstring, your hip opening up with every single rep. If it feels tighter than you expect, that's okay. Just keep moving with me. Now keep your right leg extended. Take a breath in and gently bend toward your right leg. You don't need to reach your foot. Just feel that beautiful stretch along your inner thigh and side body. You're doing amazing. Now let's go to the other side. Extend your left leg out and in, out and in. Notice if this side feels different. Completely normal if it does. You just keep going. Keep the left leg extended. Breathe in and bend toward it. Same thing. No need to force it. Just find your edge and stay there. This is where the magic happens. Open both legs wide. Extend them both out together and bring them in, out and in. Feel your inner thighs working together now. You've already done so much. Keep going. Hold that wide position. From here, start to walk your hands forward. If you can, fold all the way down into your pancake. Beautiful. But if you're not there yet, that is completely fine. Sit tall, lengthen your spine, and just breathe. Listen to your back. Never round into discomfort. Wherever you are right now is exactly where you need to be. Come back to your 90-90 to close close it out. Take a breath in and let it go. Feel how much space you've created today. That's all you. You showed up. You did the work. And your body felt every bit of it. That's day 6 done. Your hips are genuinely thanking you right now. I'll see you next time.